Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can turn off email confirmation in Supabase, and this will help users to log in immediately. So you can start by going to your dashboard and then click your project, and then you will have to scroll a little so that you will find authentication and go ahead and click explore auth and then look for sign in slash providers and just click that. Now that you're here, you will have to scroll to the email auth section, which is right here, and then go ahead and click that. And now that you're here, you will look for the toggle that says confirm email or something similar to that and just turn it off. And now when users sign up, they will be logged in right away without needing to click a confirmation link in their inbox. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.